Are you still selecting elements one by one with shift-click when you can drag select them? If so, you're wasting a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you smarter ways to make selection that will dramatically speed up your work. Hi everyone, let's dive right in. Here's a sample object you might often see. Let's say you want to select just these inner vertices in edit mode. Doing it one by one takes forever. Instead, hold down the Alt key on Windows or Option key on Mac. At the bottom left, you see Loop Select. Now, click on an edge, and there you go, the entire loop of vertices gets selected at once. Instead of just a simple mesh, let's also try this on Suzanne and see how it works. Try clicking an edge near the eyes with Loop Select. We've selected a loop around the eyes and mouth. You'll notice the same powerful effect, but now on a more complex model. Now let's move on to another time-saving feature. Go to the Select menu at the top and choose Select Similar, or simply press Shift-G. This lets you mass select elements that share the same condition. You'll probably use this a lot in face selection, so let me show you 3 useful examples for faces. First, area. This selects all faces that have the same surface area. Second, normal. This selects faces that point in the same direction. You can check normals from the Mesh Edit Mode overlays at the top right. Finally, polygon size. Let's invite Suzanne back for this one. This selects all faces with the same number of edges. It's really useful for checking topology. Now, we'll try finding just the triangles. Select one triangular face, then go to Select Similar Polygon Size, and every triangle in the mesh is highlighted. That is for today. See you next time.